Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a messenger bird or messenger dove keyring. So I've got an example here, and this one is an angel keyring, as you can see. So all you'll need for this project is a keyring clasp. I've got the pendant charm, I've got some beads, I've got a lobster clasp, an eye pin and a few jump rings. So the first thing we will do is we will make the stem with, so we'll thread our beads through. So we're now going to do a loop on the other side of the stem. Now we take a jump ring and we open this up to attach the pendant charm onto. With the jump ring and charm in place, we will then attach it onto the beaded stem. And close the jump ring. So now we have the charm attached via jump ring onto the stem of the beads, and after we complete a loop at the top, we can just make sure that it's fully secure and the stem isn't going to move. So now we have our two loops. We can simply use the jump ring and attach the lobster clasp onto the top of the loop. With the lobster clasp attached to the jump ring, we will thread that through into the loop. To secure the jump ring tightly in place, you can use the pliers to simply press together on the jump ring to close it securely. And the last step now is to attach the lobster clasp onto the keychain. So there we have it, a completed keyring of a messenger bird dove charm and an angel charm. Thanks for watching.